that Gohan has become in this past couple of seasons, you may say. And here's the baby, as always, making her entrance. Because whenever she hears me doing a video, she needs to come see what Baba doing. What Baba doing? Hello and welcome to Artclstudios. I am Chanko and today we're back with a new video. And today's video is drawing Beast Gohan. And today's topic is going beast mode. So I've been working off of his necks for the past 3 months, and like Gohan, I feel like this is my best transformation yet. I have worked out in the past, but not as consistent as I am now. And what better topic to cover than going beast mode with the beast that Gohan has become in this past couple of seasons, you may say. And here's the baby, as always, making her entrance. Because whenever she hears me doing a video, she needs to come see what Baba doing. What Baba doing? Yeah. So going beast mode is all about staying focused no matter where you are, no matter what's going on around you. It's about creating routines, consistent training where you push yourself past. Can you put it down a little bit?
Can't put it down.
I can't put it down for you.
Why?
Because I'm making a video. So going beast mode is about creating routines, about pushing past your limits, about staying focused, and going towards your fears. Whatever you're afraid of, if you're afraid of doing 100 push-ups, do 100 push-ups. Because that is your fear. And once you hit that mark, you will prove to yourself that nothing is impossible. That everything is possible, and especially if you stay focused. If you keep your routines intact, and even when it burns, you keep going. So to the artists out there, I'll say create routines about drawing and drawing things that you're afraid of. I just hit a threshold recently by creating my first published children's book, which I'm in the process of finishing right now as we speak. And creating a children's book is something that I've always wanted to do. In fact, in the past maybe 4 years, I've written a bunch of stories for myself. But it's funny, when it's for myself, I tend not to finish things as quick as if it's in comparison to when it's for someone else. So get out of your comfort zone. As I was saying, I recently moved towards a fear that I had, which was creating and completing a children's illustration, children's book. And that has been one of the biggest hurdles that I've conquered recently, one of the biggest mountains I've conquered in the past. And the reason why is because I hated drawing backgrounds. And the reason why I hate it is because I'm not comfortable in it. So I've stepped into the unknown. And the unknown is what makes us afraid of things. That not knowing that you will succeed, that not knowing that you can achieve, that the client will be happy, that people appreciate your work. And when you're in that zone of the uncomfort or the unknown, you'll figure it out. You'll find a way to make that unknown familiar. So you will conquer it. you know, even when it looks like something that you can't do. And I'm making this video in the dark because there's no light, like I said earlier. And yesterday I was supposed to make the video, but I didn't think that I wasn't gonna have any light again. So this is a proof to myself that I'll do it even when I think I can't. I'll make videos even in the most uncomfortable of situations, which I just thought about this ring light that I have here, just to get like a little bit of light shining on the side, and it works. It gives this cinematic contrast. I don't know if this is cinematic, I'm just talking crap, but it gives me the shadow on this side, which it looks cool. And I'm working out, so this is how I go beast mode in 2 things: tackling my art video and my exercise. On my other channel, this channel, shameless plug, I have been doing a lot of running, and my video has been surrounded about running. After my run, I'll get a message and I'll talk about it. This one was premeditated already. Although this is not a run, this is my workout of the day. And I usually work out in the morning, but today I had a feeling that the light was gonna go out, so I worked on my client stuff really early, and we're in the process of publishing the book. Like I said, we're already on the stage of putting things on Amazon, figuring out all the little hurdles, all the little things that don't match, or if the words need to be moving a little bit closer, to make sure that the sizes are correct. And the sizes are already correct, and the light's back. So there we go. But let me finish this. So the sizes are already correct, and then we're just adding 4 more pages that it was missing. So as we're adding, we're fixing things, and I am very proud of myself for achieving something that I'm not comfortable in, and I know the client is very happy. It's taken a little while, longer than I expected, and that was my fear also, to let people down. It's one of my biggest fears. But every time I take a client, I go towards that fear of letting people down, and most times overachieving or over delivering what it was asked from me, which I enjoy that a lot. Now, my goal is to continue to making art videos and making sure that I speak to you guys, to the art community. I'll be coming back to doing live streams. Yesterday I tried my stream and it worked, even though the Wi-Fi over here in the mountain of Costa Rica is not the fastest. But it worked. It was very late at night when I did the live stream. So hopefully today I'll try it a little bit earlier. And let's see what happens. So another thing about going beast mode is to do it when you're afraid, when you're uncomfortable, when you're tired, when you're scared. Yeah, keep going, even when it burns, when you're burned out, when you have artist block, when you think you can't do it anymore. Pick up that pencil and make another stroke, add another character, make another thumbnail until you're happy with the idea that has come out of you. All right, so hopefully this covered going beast mode. Again, stay focused, stay consistent, and stay grounded, and you will conquer the beast inside of you. Let me know what you think of this video and this style of working out and talking and drawing. Many things going on at once. I want to do something different and not do something just sitting in front of the computer all the time. All right. So one last advice about going beast mode is to fail often, fail forward, do it over again. The more you do it, the better you get. So fail often, fail forward, do it often. Thank you for watching. This has been Chanko from Artclstudios. Never stop learning for you, because when you learn, you can teach others. Peace out.